Before returning to the cat, we need to look at the working diagram of the cat's ear. The cat's ear is a special turn. It's a very sharp turn, and therefore it's not the easiest turn to make. Please watch this video a couple times because it can be very, very confusing. You've worked the side of the cat and you're now right here. Please create this stitch, put 2 twists, go around the pin, 2 twists, and go back through the trail. Do a standard edge, go back through the trail. Here's where it changes. What was the worker is going to be put aside. Put a pin under 4, so it's pinned under the worker and the trail first pair. In order to make it easier to actually sew into that pinhole, if you put a twist on what is now the new worker, it will help. Go through 1, 2, 3 pairs, and you're out to the edge. Do a standard edge, cross, twist, cross. Come back, do a standard trail, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, a cloth stitch through 1, 2, 3 pairs. You're now here. Here, what is the second, it used to be the second, but it's now the only one available to you, is going to become the new worker. So you're going to drop the worker you were using, put a pin under 4, put a twist on that new worker. And then you come up to these funny circles. These funny circles are extremely important. It's a stitch which is a cross twist, cross twist, cross. So each time you see a circle, you do cross twist, cross twist, cross. You do it first time and second time. In order to get to the corner, which is a longer distance, they ask you to put another twist on that pair. Do the standard edge, the double stitch, come back, put an extra twist. Remember what that was? Cross twist, cross twist, cross. Do a second one. Cross twist, cross twist, cross. Take that worker pair and sew it into the pinhole and put it down. Pick up the pair that's waiting for you. That's going to become the new worker. Cloth stitch it through the pair you just sewed, cloth stitch through the second pair and the third pair. You're now out to the pin again. Come back through. 1, 2, 3, standard cloth stitch. When you come back up here, you need to take that working pair and sew it into the pinhole. It again will become a passive, but you still have the old worker pair waiting for you. Work it through. 1, 2, 3, 4. It becomes the new worker, and just as a cloth stitch, you continue back through, do your edge, come back through the trail, 2 twists. This means you sew into that pinhole. 2 twists. It's really important you put the 2 twists on before you sew it in, and then 2 twists, and continue working. Please watch the video a couple times if you need to. I'll now show you how to do it with larger thread.